Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday. First and foremost, I wish my wonderful bride, Robin, a happy 25th anniversary. That is the silver anniversary for those who don't know. Most of you do. You're all about my same age. Yeah. But yes, happy anniversary to Robin. 25 years. What a wonderful feeling. All right. Last night, Robin and I tag teamed Tuscan bean soup. I did the mise en place, I did all the prep, and Robin did the hard stuff, the actual physical cooking. Oh, this is a Giangi recipe. It's very good. I recommend it. Robin enjoyed it as well. It's very good. It's very warming. It's perfect for a cold winter day. So, you're probably asking yourself, what's the chef preparing for his bride on their 25th wedding anniversary? She chose this. This is what she wants. Creamy chicken and mushroom stroganoff. Should be fun, should be yummy. And I'm attempting to bake something today. Well, it's not really, it's baking, but it's not baking. It's combo. This is a Marie recipe, Marie from the English Kitchen. Lemon pudding cakes for two. All right, let's get to it. Gotta have chicken for the stroganoff. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. There's mushrooms, because that's in the title. Half a yellow onion, garlic, butter, flour for thickening. Of course, there's some kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of olive oil, chicken broth, heavy whipping cream, Dijon mustard, good old Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, Hungarian paprika. Yeah. Some sour cream, and we'll be serving this over good old wide egg noodles. So 25 years. Wow. But hey, you know what? I love Robin, and she loves me. We've been through some stuff here in the last year, but we're back together, and we're celebrating with happiness. So yeah, she's my best friend. She really is. And I missed her when she was not here. So, on a positive note, yeah. Have a great day, eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.